Hi, welcome to Sam Tech Pro. Today in this video we're gonna be unboxing, and it's a kind of review tutorial as I do really very rare. It's actually about angle grinder, and it's a cordless angle grinder of 42 volts with 42 volts battery, and it actually does work. You see the box looks cool, and seeing these kind of boxes from these companies is not a big surprise, because a lot of companies are providing the boxes like this. So let's unbox it, and actually I'll try to cover the battery timing and some engineering stuff with it. For example, the charging, how does it charge, and what's the charging mechanism, what are the actual voltage, and how much time it's consuming, and how much time it's actually useful. So the box doesn't mean anything. So when I'm doing a review tutorial, that clearly means that it is going to be a hard time for that device, because we're doing some hard tests on this angle grinder. We'll check the battery timing, we'll check the speed. It has 3 different variable speeds. This is manual, and same like that. Not good, but quite understandable English inside it. So these are just the warnings, and just how to change the disc, of course. Let's see what's inside it. This is the angle grinder, what I'm talking about. You see that it is the build quality is amazing. The color is amazing, and here he didn't leave the space empty. He wrote 42 volts maximum. Okay, so this is the switch. It's a kind of safety switch. You cannot press it like that one unless you just press this dot and then you move forward. Okay, so this is the angle grinder, of course. It's the first battery, the second battery, and these are the sandpaper discs, 4.5, so 4.5 inches the size of this angle grinder. I wanted 4 inch because I hate larger size. I'm not, I don't do such stuff like that. It's quite dangerous too if you're not familiar too. So keep it to your use. This is, of course, the safety guard. The material is so hard, it's actually built for the safety. So when we're going to use it, we'll make sure that we tight this ring enough so it may not come out. However, it also has some locks here which locked it in place, but if you don't tight it enough, that clearly means that it's these locks are useless. It can accidentally cause your disc to collapse and better. Now this is the key. Unlike the other grinder which have 2 keys, it has only a single key. Okay, why single key? Because when you put it here, they have given this lock button which locks the mechanism of the rotating inside it. So it's locked. When you pressed it, it's locked. It's stick that gear or something, whatever inside it. I'm not interested in that. So this is the single key that they have given, right? So this is the handle, and we have spaces on the both sides to fit that, so we can use it. However, not necessary. I don't really think that it is necessary. So okay, this is the charger, probably the charger, 42 volt INCGO. It has quite a bit indications on that. So here we have the it's a kind of metal disc box, and it's supposed to have the discs inside it. So let's try to open it and check what's inside it actually. And it's quite very I'm not in the lab, so it will be quite hard for me. It's a box for disc handling box. Okay, they have just not given the sandpaper disc. They have given us three sandpaper discs, and they have given us the metal cutting discs. This is metal cutting discs, and thin in the size. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 discs. I don't know if this thing is common, but for me it's not common, because I'm not a mechanical stuff handling. I'm an electronics engineer, so I keep focus on the electronics. We have this plastic, protection on the batteries. Let's unlock it in place. We don't waste the time. We'll try to connect to that. This has been connected. We have a battery indication on it. We press it, it shows that the battery is full, because I have already charged it. So I take that clearly means that discs are gone. You can't, you cannot place it like this. An example, you cannot place it like this. It will automatically fall down, so the battery doesn't have the shape to hold it in the place. It's written here, brushless. Of course it is going to be brushless. There's a motor inside it. However, I didn't like the electronics inside it. So here we have a button on the grinder which says that you can adjust the speed when it's working. So this is the lowest possible speed, and I don't know if it's useful or not. I don't really think that it is going to be useful for me. The full speed is also not full for me, because I need to have the maximum possible speed for the angle grinder. Let's now test the other things. So this is how the charger works. When the battery is not connected, the LED light is stable, and when the battery is being charged, the light is blinking and will keep blinking until the battery is fully charged. So now the battery is fully charged. You see the LED light is stable. And here we are connecting the guard for this grinder. You see the lock fits, and then we'll tighten the screw. We'll lock it in the position as we want. Now we'll place the the fitting that has the cut inside it to hold the disc in place, and we'll install the disc. Then we'll tighten the upper cap properly by pressing this red button. Keep pressing this red button and then tighten it with this key. Now here we have the rod. Like this is solid metal and not just stable, because I'm just using a single hand as I'm recording the video right now. So this is the actual time, no fast forward. This is the actual time, and it just have taken the same time as the other grinder takes. Now here, just touch it and the grinder is turned off. Yeah, so right now that's it for now, and we'll try to make some hard stuff. We'll try to make that thing work, and we'll then take a look onto the charger. How does it charge the battery, and how does it actually work, and how long does it last? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please give us a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Share your thoughts and opinion in the comments down below, and see you next time. Thank you.